Have you lost your mind?
Bharat, my son, come. It was for your sake, for your destiny, that I used my 2 wounds.
My destiny? You speak of my destiny while stripping my dear brother of his rightful place and condemning him to the wild? Is this the mother I know? Bharat's heart bleeds with grief and anger. Mother, you have erred bravely, but I, Bharat, will not be part of this injustice. The throne you stole is tainted, and I will never claim it.
Please, my son, understand.
Understand what? Your greed? Your ambition? Fueled by the scheming maid? No, I understand only this. Ram, my dear brother, the rightful king, is in exile, and my duty lies only with him. Bharat storms out of the palace, leaving Kaikai and Manthara speechless. Thus ends Act 1. In Act 2, Bharat and his brother Shatrughna are wandering in the forest searching for their dear brother Ram. The next scene opens with both of them weary and grief-stricken, reaching the banks of the Yamuna river. Shatrughna tells his brother Bharat, "Dear Bharat, this journey seems endless, and now we have come across this river. How can we cross this river without a boat and burdened by this heavy heart?"
Greetings, travelers. You seem troubled. Perhaps I can help you cross the river.
I am Bharat, and this is my brother Shatrughna. We are sons of King Dashrath and seek passage across the river. But our hearts are heavy with sorrow, and we fear we have nothing to offer in return.
A king's son needs no payment, only honesty. Tell me your burdens for sharing burdens alone.
Bharat and Shatrughna narrate the events of the palace, tears welling. Our brother, the rightful king, is banished, and my mother usurped the throne. We cannot be part of this injustice, and we are searching for our dear brother Ram to invite him back to Ayodhya.
Your pain is noble, Prince Bharat. True kingship lies not in crowns, but in compassion and justice. Let me ferry you across, and together we shall seek your brother.
Guha helps Bharat and Shatrughna onto the boat, and together they cross the river, sharing stories and forge a bond of friendship. Thus ends our Act 2. In Act 3, after crossing the river, the brothers arrive at the tranquil hermitage of sage Bharatwaj, where he is teaching his disciple. Bharat and Shatrughna, they arrive at the sage's hermitage. Wise Bharatwaj, forgive our intrusion. We are Bharat and Shatrughna, seeking guidance in this time of turmoil.
Welcome. The forest whispers were story to me. Tell me what troubles your brother have.
Bharat and Shatrughna narrate their tale, their voice filled with anguish. Our brother Ram is exiled while we are forced to witness the injustice from afar. My duty calls me to rule, but my heart yearns with him.
Duty and love are not force, but two sides of the same coin. You should have both. Rule Ayodhya with justice, reflecting with Allah's righteousness. Seek not the throne, but be its garden until his rightful return.
Bharat and Shatrughna's eyes widen with understanding. Sage, your words bring clarity. I shall rule as Ram's regent, my heart ever with him. But how can we find him in this vast forest?
Follow the path lit by devotion, and you shall reach your brother. Remember, true strength lies not in power, but in the unwavering love that binds hearts across miles.
Bharat and Shatrughna bow gratefully and depart, determined to fulfill their newfound purpose. In Act 4, Ram, Lakshman, and Sita are present in the forest. In this last scene, the brothers finally reach the peaceful forest clearing where Ram resides with Sita and Lakshman. Bharat and Shatrughna enter the clearing, weary from their journey, their faces etched with sorrow. Ram, brother, forgive me. Forgive the wrongs done to you in my name.
Lakshman, after banishing us from Ayodhya, have you come here to fight with us?
Bharat and Shatrughna narrate the events of the palace, his voice choked with emotion. Ram, you are the rightful king. You were banished due to a deceitful plot. But know this, my dear brother, I had no part in it.
My dear brother, what brings you over here?
What news from Ayodhya? How are father and mother's doing? Please give our respects to everybody.
Our hearts break for your suffering, and I have come to take all of you back to Ayodhya.
Bharat, your presence here eases my pain. Your loyalty warms my heart. But my path is set. I must fulfill the promise given to father, even if it means exile.
No, Ram! Bharat and Shatrughna fall to their feet. You cannot. The kingdom needs you. Your people yearn for your just rule. Please come back and claim your rightful place. I can't see you, Mother Sita and dear Lakshman here. Please, let me bear the burden of exile instead.
Brother, your love and devotion move me deeply, but our duty lies in honoring our father's words. However, let this be known, you shall be responsible for ruling Ayodhya in my absence, not as a king, but as my regent, ensuring justice and prosperity for our people.
Bharat and Shatrughna with a heavy heart say, so be it, Ram. I shall rule in your name, waiting for that day of your glorious return. And when that day comes, the true king shall reclaim their throne. Ram and Bharat and Shatrughna fall to their feet and take Ram's sandals, a symbol of his true authority, and they put it on their head and depart with a heavy heart. Ram watches them go, their spirits unwavering, but touched by their brother's sacrifice. And so, the brothers part ways, each bound by duty and love. Shri Bharat Milap ki Jai! Shri Krishna Janmashtami ki Jai! Introducing the characters of our play. Nainika as Mantara, Priyanka as Kaikeyi, Lasya as Sita, Anish as Lord Ram, Kaushik as Lakshman, Pranam as Bharat, Lohit as Shatrughna, Maitreya as Guha, the boatman, Sid as Sage Bharatwaj, Abhiram as Sage Bharatwaj's disciple, Rishi, Adi Shrava, Srimati Mataji, Kaushalya Mataji and Bhakti Priya Mataji as Ayodhya Vasis, Shweta Mataji as a director of background sound who's sitting right there, Bhakti Priya Mataji as a director of props, Priyanka and Lasya as directors of makeup, Gopika Mataji as director of costume, Suma Mataji as narrator for female voice, Raghu Prabhu, Radha Krishna Prabhu and Ravi Prabhu as our male voices for Bharatwaj and Lord Ram. Shri Bharat Milap ki, Srila Prabhupada ki, Mikini Bhakti Vriksha ki, Shri Krishna Janmashtami ki, Hari Hari Bol.